Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for a notification of delicious pizza recipes. Barbecue chicken pizza. Ingredients required are 12-inch pre-baked pizza crust, 1 cup spicy barbecue sauce, 2 skinless boneless chicken breast halves cooked and cubed, half cup chopped fresh cilantro, 1 cup sliced pepperoni pepper, 1 cup chopped onion, 2 cups shredded Kobe Montreal jack cheese. Steps to make pizza are Steps to make barbecue chicken pizza are Step 1. Preheat oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Step 2. Place pizza crust on a medium baking sheet. Then spread the barbecue sauce on the crust. Top with chicken, cilantro, pepperoni pepper, onion and cheese. Step 3. Bake the pizza in the preheat oven for 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. The barbecue chicken pizza is ready.